Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Well, the market was absolutely crazy yesterday. In fact, the way the market was falling in the morning, it was looking like it would break down. But from there, a big rally upwards, and the last few hours, the way the market rallied and closed till I would say till 3:30, it was rallying up. So that was the kind of power that came into the last, wherein the major crazy volatility of monthly expiry was seen absolutely running there. So nobody would have expected the market to actually close above 18,300 yesterday, but then it did. So that's exactly how crazy markets can go on an expiry day, and that's exactly why we had actually booked a profit early in the morning and just stayed away from the market and taking position for next week. And that's exactly what would be a better thing to do in this kind of volatility that's been induced into the Indian stock market right now. Well, so naturally the FIAs and DIAs have been again buying together. So yesterday also the FIAs have bought for almost 5,500 plus crores, and DIAs also have bought for about 300 plus crores. So that means the institutions are on a thorough buying side for sure, no matter what happens. So that of course shows the confidence in the market, and that kind of up move that could be expected in the couple of years in India because of the huge strength that's moving to India. So definitely amazing time to be staying invested in the market. If you are going to miss this out, probably going to miss an opportunity of a lifetime. So that's something really important about the market right now. So now going on to understand what's happening in the market apart from that. So if you see yesterday, we could see some major bearishness from HDFC Twins and Reliance, but then by end of day they could be seen recovering, and also IT stocks were seen to be kind of trying to recover, though they've not been able to keep up the momentum. But IT stock sure has some game to play in the market. That's what I expect. So waiting for those, we should be actually waiting now. It could be till yesterday we could be expecting the market to be kind of moving because of the monthly expiry, and today is the last closing day of this week as well. So I would say definitely market directions can only be found next week. So as of now, I would say the markets are going to be, of course, seeing a great support at 18,200 levels. So that's something that's to be watched on the lower side. Whereas on the higher side, we cannot talk about a range right now. However, 18,500 would be a decent resistance. But if that is broken, there are high chances of it broken if in the couple of weeks. So if that happens, there are even chances the market could go higher. So let us clearly watch what's happening in the market to fix the range for next week. So as of today, I'm just kind of taking safe positions, which is not going to be decided finally until probably Monday. So that's the situation for right now. I would say as of now the markets are looking good. Those who have actually invested in good stocks should already be seeing some good profit in their portfolio, which is of course seen in my portfolio as well, and of course I'm sure same with MPA family where we are all invested together. So apart from that, if you look at the US market, so US market yesterday continued to be in the same mode, but except for Nasdaq. Now, what happened in Nasdaq? Of course, the Nvidia was the company that actually led the rally. In fact, yesterday morning in the podcast, we did speak that Nvidia's results were looking good, and they're also seeing great projections for future. And the best part was post-market after US markets closed day for yesterday, Nvidia rallied up 15%. But then yesterday when the market opened, it not only opened with a gap up, but then went on to rally another 10%, making it to a total 25% gain in a single day. What do I say? In fact, I had invested in Nvidia, I think in December, and my investment in Nvidia stands at 190% profit. 190% profit in just what, 5 months? Amazing rally there. So of course, because people expect Nvidia to have a huge contribution to the space of AI, artificial intelligence, and that's exactly why the projections are looking great in future, and also the last quarter was amazing for them. So that actually shows that Nvidia could have a lot of strength, and that's the what's happening in the market. So of course you can see the reason for my wide grin today, because of course I'm really happy. 190% is a profit that I'm sitting with right now, in the stock, and of course, it's a major contributor to my portfolio in the US. So apart from that, S&P 500 and Dow did not see any great strength, but of course, banks in the US are still continuing to underperform. So that still is under concern. But then there are news that the Republicans and Democrats are very close to finalizing on the debt ceiling issue. So that should be something which would be kind of supporting the market to rally. Let's see what and when that happens. So as of now, it's a weekend. So being a weekend, I would kind of think of reducing my position slightly because we never know when the debt ceiling issue may get finalized, and it has to be done before the 1st of June. So any point of time, there could be some big movement in the market. So it's better to kind of stay, light in the market right now. I'm talking in terms of traders' positions. If you're an investor, of course, you don't have to worry at all. Just keep investing because these are great times to be investing in SIP mode, and I'm sure that would yield amazing results as we go forward. So that's it for now. I think we'll come out with a lot of details on the Sunday's Market Pulse video that would be happening at sharp 7 p.m. every Sunday. So don't miss that out. That should be your 1 point video, which you should never miss a week, where we'll talk about what happened this week and what could be the expectations for next week. So that's it for now. Have a great weekend. This is Shrikant Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.